Conda command is not recognized on Windows 10. I installed Anaconda 4.4.0, Python 3.6 version, on Windows 10 by following the instructions here, this URL. However, when I open the command prompt window and try to write, I get the Conda command is not recognized error. I tried to run, but it didn't help. I also read that I might need to edit my .bashrc file, but I don't know how to access this file, and how I should edit it.
In Windows, you will have to set the path to the location where you installed Anaconda 3 to. For me, I installed Anaconda 3 into C:\Anaconda 3. Therefore you need to add C:\Anaconda 3 as well as C:\Anaconda 3 /scripts/ to your path variable. For example, set path equals %path %C:\Anaconda 3, C:\Anaconda 3 /scripts/. You can do this via PowerShell, see above, this URL v equals versus.85. Ask, or hit the Windows key, enter environment, choose from settings, edit environment variables for your account, select path variable, edit new. To test it, open a new DOS shell, and you should be able to use Conda commands now. For example, try Conda version.
Things have been changed after Conda 4.6. Programs Anaconda Prompt and Anaconda PowerShell expose the command Conda for you automatically. Find them in your startup menu. If you don't want to use the prompts above and try to make Conda available in a standard cmd.exe or a standard PowerShell, read the following content. Expose Conda in every shell. The purpose of the following content is to make command Conda available both in cmd.exe and PowerShell on Windows. If you have already checked Add Anaconda to my path environment variable during Anaconda installation, skip step 1. If Anaconda is installed for the current use only, add %user profile %\Anaconda 3 /Condabin, I mean Condabin, not scripts, into the environment variable path, the user 1. If Anaconda is installed for all users on your machine, add C:\program data \Anaconda 3 /Condabin into path. How do I set system environment variables on Windows? Open a new PowerShell, run the following command once to initialize Conda. These steps make sure the Conda command is exposed into your cmd.exe and PowerShell. Extended reading, Conda init from Conda 4.6. Caveat, add the new \path to \Anaconda 3 /Condabin but not \path to \Anaconda 3 /scripts into your path. This is a big change introduced in Conda 4.6. Activation script initialization from Conda 4.6 release log. Conda 4.6 adds extensive initialization support so that more shells than ever before can use the new Conda activate command. For more information, read the output from Conda init help. We're especially excited about this new way of working, because removing the need to modify path makes Conda much less disruptive to other software on your system. In the old days, \path to \Anaconda 3 /scripts is the one to be put into your path. It exposes command Conda, the default Python from base environment, at the same time. After Conda 4.6, Conda-related commands are separated into Condabin. This makes it possible to expose only command Conda without activating the Python from base environment. References: Conda 4.6 release. How do I prevent Conda from activating the base environment?
The newest version of the Anaconda installer for Windows will also install a Windows launcher for Anaconda Prompt and Anaconda PowerShell Prompt. If you use one of those instead of the regular Windows CMD shell, the Conda command, Python etc. should be available by default in this shell.
When you install Anaconda on Windows now, it doesn't automatically add Python or Conda.
If you don't know where your Conda and or Python is, you type the following commands into your Anaconda prompt.
Next, you can add Python and Conda to your path by using the set command in your command prompt. Next, close that command prompt and open a new one. Congrats, you can now use Conda and Python.
Source: this URL.
If you want to use Anaconda in regular CMD on Windows, you need to add several paths to your path-in variable. Those paths are, instead of Anaconda 3, the folder may be Anaconda 2 depending on the Anaconda version on your PC.